Hi there, I'm Mika. Squarespace has dozens of features to help merchants stand out and sell their products. In addition to our robust suite of built-in commerce tools, did you know that you can now easily create and sell custom merch? Squarespace now offers an integrated print-on-demand feature, a solution for easily getting your online store up and running without having to manage inventory, handle production, or fulfill or ship orders yourself. Let's jump right into it. To get started creating custom merch, log into your Squarespace website, visit our custom merch page, and connect to our print-on-demand provider. From here, you can choose which products you would like to sell and add a custom design or logo to match your brand. Next, you can set your pricing, shipping, and markup to determine your revenue. Once your products are complete, they will automatically sync to your Squarespace inventory so you can sell them directly through a product page on your site. As you start receiving the orders, the production, shipping, and inventory will be automatically handled by our print-on-demand provider so that you can continue to focus on running your business. Creating custom merch is a great way to build brand awareness, connect to your customers, and create a new revenue stream. It can be difficult to manage every element of running a business, but with Squarespace custom merch feature, you can sell your products like a pro. And remember, you've got this.